Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by capturing a clear sample of the background music. This makes identification far easier. Record or export a 10 to 30-second clip at the highest bitrate available so details remain. Once done, reduce lead vocals using a phase invert or a vocal removal tool to emphasize the instrumental. You do this because search engines and fingerprinting tools perform better with isolated instrumentation. Make sure the clip avoids heavy dialogue or effects that mask harmonic content. Next, run the cleaned clip through multiple identification channels. Shazam and SoundHound first, then upload to AI fingerprinting sites for instrumental matches. If automatic tools fail, post the clip to specialized music forums or subreddit communities and include tempo, key, and timestamps. You should also generate a spectrogram to visually compare patterns against sample libraries. This helps when the track is a production library piece. Keep trying various services because different databases cover different catalogs. Finally, confirm any candidate by cross-checking across at least 2 independent sources so you avoid misidentification. If the track remains unknown, reverse search for sampled elements, check production library catalogs, and contact uploaders or creators directly. When things go wrong, improve your sample quality. Re-export at a higher bitrate, remove noise, or provide a longer looped section. Metadata like timestamps and context often unlocks answers. You want certainty, so document your searches and rule out false positives.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.